Polygon, formerly known as Matic Network, is a prominent Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. Its primary goal is to enhance Ethereum's scalability and reduce transaction costs while maintaining its security and decentralized nature. Polygon achieves this through its technology, which leverages sidechains and a range of scaling solutions like Plasma and rollups. Here's a brief overview of what Polygon does. Scalability. Polygon improves Ethereum's scalability by providing faster and cheaper transactions. This is accomplished by processing transactions off the main Ethereum chain and then settling them back on the Ethereum blockchain. This approach significantly reduces congestion and fees on the Ethereum network. Interoperability. Polygon facilitates the development of interoperable blockchain networks, allowing different blockchains to work together seamlessly. This feature is essential for the growth of decentralized applications, or dApps, and the broader Web3 ecosystem. Security. Although transactions are processed on sidechains, Polygon ensures their security through a robust framework that maintains a strong connection to Ethereum's security model. This means that the benefits of Ethereum's security are preserved while enhancing transaction throughput. As of August 2024, Polygon's market value stands at approximately $10 billion. This valuation reflects its significant impact and adoption within the blockchain and cryptocurrency space. The Matic token, which is Polygon's native cryptocurrency, is used for various purposes within the ecosystem, including staking, governance, and paying for transaction fees on the network. Polygon operates on a network of sidechains that are compatible with Ethereum, meaning that while it enhances Ethereum's capabilities, it functions as a separate network connected to Ethereum's mainnet. This integration allows developers to deploy and scale their dApps more effectively while benefiting from Ethereum's robust ecosystem and security. In summary, Polygon is a vital component of the blockchain landscape, addressing Ethereum's limitations in scalability and transaction costs, and supporting a growing array of decentralized applications and services.